Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically automate client proposals using N8N. So you're going to first add in a form submission. This is what it looks like. Then you're going to add an AI agent. You're going to also add these two here. Then you're going to add this, which is copying a file, and then from Google Drive, updating a document from Google Docs, downloading a file from Google Drive, and lastly sending a message via Gmail. And you're just going to execute workflow once you're done. I haven't gotten the prompt correctly yet, so this has not worked, but this is kind of the workflow for it. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.